guys, welcome to another Keep Reet YouTube episode, and today we're nearing the end of our Japan trip on our way to Ebisu Circuit, and we figured we're leaving Nikko and we've got some of the spiciest mountain Touge roads you'll ever see. We'd strap on some GoPros, we've got one on the roof, one in the car, and we've even thrown on our spicy dose mic, because there's some absolutely amazing roads. It's just going to be raw noise, scenery. We're not going to be stupid or anything, got other cars in the road, we'll be taking it easy, hitting a little bit of boost. You might hear a little bit of tire scroll if you corner too hard. Come with us down this spicy hairpin road here in the beautiful Japan. Enjoy! So I've had some major clutch issues and the car's on its last legs, drift wise. So we're hoping that it's going to last this Ebisu Matsuri, but it'll be fine on this mountain road. If you're not sure what car this is a JZX 100 Mark II. Pretty much standard, just up the boost to 1 bar, which is about 14 PSI. These roads are amazing. They've got 2 lanes, one way up the mountain. So it's up a Nikko Mountain that is, and then this road coming down is, yeah, it'll be about 2, 1 lane, 1.5, in depending on the spots, coming back down. So you don't have to worry about any cars coming up the other way. Pretty cool. Straight 6, 2.5 litre with VVTi. It's a single turbo one. There is a non-VCT style or non-VVTi version of the twin turbo in the earlier models. And yeah, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive, very solid drift car. We've got a full cage, a bolt-in and Nardi wheel, bucket seats. We've got harnesses in there for drifting. Apparently full of all our sheet. Yeah, packed in there with wheels and stuff like that. So yeah, we can't be going too stupid, but it's packed in there tight enough that we can have some fun. So let's do it. Yeah, some of these corners you'll see all these different brake marks. I think it's mainly on the uphill people drift. Downhill can be a little bit sketchy, but definitely doable. Just like the Touge course that you'll see at Ebisu Circuit. But yeah, it's such nice roads, just mountains in the background, it's amazing. You can hear some scrubs. Oh, have a look at some of the scenery. I reckon we'll pull over and we'll check out some of the scenery. So giving the truck a little bit of a gap, so there's like 1,000 other cars on the road, so we'll pick the biggest gap we can and go for gold. that's it. It's the end of our mountain run. I hope you enjoyed the experience of cruising down those spicy windy roads. This is where one-way downhill ends and the one-way uphill starts. And as you can see, there was a lot of handbrake marks on every one of those hairpins, meaning most likely people like to drift here quite a lot. So yeah, there's the sign there. You can see all the windy roads. And yeah, at the top there's that little town, there's a lake, and that's where we were staying while we were here in Nikko. So next up, Ebisu. So if you want to see our journeys and see if the car will last, make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope the audio turned out alright, because I just winged it. Back in the engine bay. Haven't tested that mic before, so I hope those turbo sounds were spicy. Nice little doses and nice JZ sounds. And yeah, unfortunately about those cars holding us up, but we're here on a public road. What do you want me to do? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.